from Sri Lanka, and I will hand you the other mic, unless part of it is like a walkout. Sorry, guys. Let's give it up for our performers.
Hi, everyone.
My name is Viniti. I go to PFA Middle School and I'm in 7th grade.
My name is Vinali, and I'm in 5th grade here at Star Academy.
Today we will be sharing some facts about Sri Lanka and a Sri Lankan song with you guys.
Sri Lanka is an island just off the coast of the southern tip of Asia, located in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is a beautiful island, kind of like Hawaii.
Some landscapes and landforms that Sri Lanka is known for include wondrous beaches, gorgeous rolling hills, stunning waterfalls, and breathtaking views of nature. Adding on to that though, Colombo is Sri Lanka's wonderful urban capital city.
Speaking of what this country is known for, this is the blue water lily, Sri Lanka's national flower.
And this is the national flag of Sri Lanka. It has a lion holding a sword on it.
Sinhalese is the primary language of Sri Lanka. Today we will be speaking 2 phrases in Sinhalese.
Sīlama Sri Lanka Vasi Lokavasinta Labuawa Sinhala Damila Alutauruda Kiriyan Peniyan Itirana Vasanavanta Subama Suba Alutaurudak Veva.
The meaning of what she said is that she's wishing all Sri Lankans all over the world a beautiful, lucky, and strong Sri Lankan New Year. She said this because just yesterday was Sri Lankan and Tamil New Year. Mema Geetara Nirmana Kala Silama Pravina Nirmana Karavanta Apistutiwanta Venama.
What that means is she is thanking all the artists and producers of the song we are about to sing for creating something beautiful for us to share with you all today.
We hope you enjoyed the song.
Bohumastuti. That means thank you very much.
Heaven of a